In this video, I'm going to show you how to stake your crypto coins and participate on the ongoing project on the Binance Launchpool called Pixel Farming. So definitely watch this video till the very end to get the process right. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification so that you receive updates like this whenever I upload new video. Also check the channel for other crypto videos and educational content. So right here, Binance announced a new launch pool which is ongoing right now. But before that, what is launch pool? Okay, because on Binance there's a difference between launch pool and launch pad. Launch pool is a platform on Binance that allow verified users to stake their cryptocurrency asset such as BNB or any other crypto coin to earn a new token from a new project. So when a new project is coming up, as a way of raising funds for that project, Binance will allow people to stake their tokens, okay, for the other new project that is coming up. And this process of staking your coins or your token and earn another token in return is called farming. Okay, so on Binance it is not directly called farming, rather it is called launch pool. So for you to participate on Binance launch pool, it is very important for you to have this requirement. So you must meet this requirement to be able to participate on the Binance launch pool. So the first one here is you must be a verified Binance user. Okay, so you must have a Binance account and verify your Binance account. And if you have not registered on Binance and you want to do so, please check the description of this video right now. You see a link and do a Binance registration right away. And the second thing you have to do is you must hold and stake 1 or 2 coins. So you have the capacity of staking 1 or 2 coins when Binance announce a new launch pool on their platform. So how can you participate on the ongoing launch pool that is called Pixel? So you go to this very area on the Binance platform to more, and then you come here to Launchpad and the launch pool. So if I click on Launchpad and launch pool, it will take me to this very platform where you see Binance Token Launch Platform. Okay, buy and earn new tokens directly on Binance. And if you look at it here, we have currently staked. So we have here $7.7 billion have been staked all in the period since Binance launched this platform, and the fund that have been raised is this, and total project is 84 and all-time unique participants is 4.5 million. Okay, so this is very important. It is a platform that you can stake your token and earn from it instead of you just holding. So the ongoing launch pool right now is Pixel, which is very important. Like I said earlier, launch pool on Binance, you will see farming on other platforms. So launch pool and farming is the same thing. So Pixel is a cryptocurrency project. So Pixel is a social Web3 gaming project that is built on the Remit network. And this is going to do massively well. Okay, so what you can do right now is to stake and acquire this very token before it is listed on Binance, because one thing you have to understand is that after every farming, okay, or after every launch pool, Binance will definitely list Pixel or any of the farming project on their platform immediately after the end of the farming process. So if you look at the total reward here, we have 350 million of this token will be given to those that stake in any of these pools, and the farming period is 10 days. Right now we have 4 days and 16 hours remaining to the end of this farming process. Now, does it mean you are out? No, the thing is you can still stake right now, okay, for the remaining 4 days and 16 hours. So for you to stake in this very project, you have to stake in any of these pools. So we have only 2 pools for this project. The first one is FDUSD pool, and when you stake FDUSD, you earn Pixel. And the second pool here is the BNB pool. So if you stake BNB here, you will also earn pixel. So we have this. If you look at the number of staked here is 2 billion plus FD USD. And if you look at the staked here is 16 million plus BNB. Now, if you look at one thing very important here, the APY is not specified, but definitely you are going to earn from just taking. So the question is, if you are just holding BNB for a long time, or you have FD USD in your portfolio, instead of you just holding it, you have to come here and click on stake, okay, and just take it, or you come to this pool and just take your BNB instead of just holding it. By staking in any of this pool, you will get pixel in return, even though it has not been listed on Binance. And when it will be listed, you will have the token and you can sell it for massive profit. Now, one thing very important is that you will definitely see a very significant pump in the price of pixel when it is launched on Binance. That is when it is listed on Binance. And what that means is that if you stake with good amount of BNB or good amount of FD/USD, it means that you will be having a lot more quantity of this very token compared to those that stake with small amount. So what you have to do right now is, if you are holding any of this coin, this is a stable coin, okay, that is FD/USD, and if you are holding BNB for a long time, just go to your Binance account right now and go to the more section right here and click on Launchpad and Launchpool. It will take you to this very area, and then stake your BNB for this remaining 4 days, and you will get pixel at the end of the remaining 4 days, and it will be listed immediately on Binance, and you will get the massive profit that this coin tends to offer. One other thing you can also do to maximize earning from this pixel launch when it is launched after the farming process is to wait for the token to be launched first. So after the token launch, don't buy immediately the token is launched. You wait for the market to retrace a little bit, then after retracement, then you can then enter. Okay, I don't advise people to enter or buy a token immediately after it is launched on Binance, because when a token is launched, the capacity of the token move to the upside a little bit and then come back down drastically is there. So what you have to do, or what I have seen that work for me, is after the launch or listing of this very token, you wait for the market to retrace. So at the end of retracement, which I will also let you know on this very platform, you buy the token for the market to move to the upside. At that point, the selling pressure from people that got the token from the launch pool or farming process is already down. Okay, so the token have capacity of moving to the upside. And one other thing you must have to pay attention to is that this is a Web3 gaming project, which is going to do massively well on the Binance platform. And this token have not been listed on any platform before. Okay, so it's going to be the first launch on Binance, and you have to take advantage of this very token process. So if you have any of this coin, just go here, stake, and it will take you to where you can now stake your BNB, and that's all. At the end of the 4 days, your BNB will be released back to your spot wallet, and pixel will also reflect in your spot wallet for you to trade it. So this is very important. So this is how you can participate on the ongoing Binance Launchpool, which is the pixel farming. If you are new to this channel and you find this video useful, please don't forget to support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos and educational content. If you've not registered on Binance, OKX, and Bybit, if you register on Bybit with my link down below this video, you will get $1,000 bonus when you deposit with $100 and take your first trade after verification. So thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.